Hi beautiful people, I'm Yogicas. Thank you for joining me today. In today's practice we are balancing our thyroid. So what this does, we are improving our energy levels, we are balancing hormones and our overall well-being. So let's get into it. First we're gonna close our eyes and we're just gonna come to the present moment here. And come here fully with our awareness and feel your breath. Take deep breaths in and out. And now we're starting with our practice. We are starting with the cat-cow. We're going to all fours here, and when we stretch up, we're breathing in, and when we stretch downwards, we're breathing out. And go with your own pace. We're warming up the body, we're warming up the energetic system and the spine. The spine is where energy moves from the tailbone to the upper spine. And to have a flexible spine is to have healthy and youthful body. Very good. And now we're going to the child pose and stretch your arms to the front. Now we're going to the Sphinx Pose. We're opening our Anahata, our heart chakra here. Eyes are closed and deep breaths here. And feel these qualities of the heart expanding. Compassion, love, this loving feeling for no other reason than just appreciation. And give that appreciation to yourself. And now we're going to our knees and we're tilting our head back. You can support your lower back with putting hands there. And we're opening our Vishuddha, we're opening our throat chakra. We're opening up to the skies. And just allowing energy to expand, opening ourselves up, opening our throat chakra here. And breathe deeply. Very good. Now we're going to lie down and we are going to our hips up and we're holding that position. We're squeezing our core and our lower body muscles. We're restoring balance. We're improving circulation and stimulating thyroid gland. This helps our hormones to function with ease, and all the symptoms of stress, they are vanishing now. And now we are moving upwards to our Ajna chakra and our Sahasrara chakra, third eye, and the crown chakra. We're pushing our legs over to our head as far as it's comfortable for you, and just deep breaths here. Now bring your legs upwards to the candle pose. We are reducing stress, fatigue, and tension in the body. Deep breaths here. Energy moves from our legs to the top of the head. We're activating, balancing our higher chakras. And focus on the Vishuddha, on the throat chakra here. This is a powerful Vishuddha chakra, opening, balancing, activating asana. Deep breaths here. And I recommend you do this asana. Start with 5 minutes at once, but the most effective is when you do it 8 minutes in a row. But you can start with either 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and then work your way up to 8 minutes. This has a powerful, very powerful impact to your overall health. Not only just the thyroids, but your overall immune system, your well-being. And also in yoga, we speak of this asana as putting the time to a stop. So we have reversed our bodies as the time has stopped now. Practicing this asana in the morning and at night, at least 8 minutes per time, it will give you a very youthful look and youthful energy as well. Very good. And now lie down to Shivasana. Find a comfortable place for yourself. Feel the earth supporting your body. And just feel your body being fully relaxed now. And know that you're safe. Know that you're loved. Know that all is well. I am a peaceful being. I am a powerful being. I am calm and stable always. I am full of knowledge and purity. All is well. I am a pure soul. I am a powerful soul. All is well with me. I am always happy. I am perfect healthy. And now, if you're ready, start to move your fingers and toes and find your way back up to easy pose. I hope you take this practice with you on your daily use so that you can really feel the benefits and the energy shifts in your body and in your mood. Wish you all the best. Lots of love. Bye.